Okay, so now we are going to see how to make the attendance. Okay, so let me just open the Excel sheet here. Okay, which one am I here? Okay, so what I have done is, see, this is the Excel output from Teams. Okay, so I have simply copied the whole Excel output here. Okay, this is the entire list. So this list here, this is from Teams. Okay, and this is what I have made. Now how to follow this, I will just tell you. See, this is the list of the students name that we have. Okay, the one that we had sent to the school to give it to Teams. So I have just compiled the list of 3 ABC together along with the sections. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the formula here in this column. Okay, so how we are going to apply is, we are going to write v lookup. Okay, so this A2 comma, we go to attendance. Okay, we just highlight this column from the top. You can see one arrow is there pointing on A. Okay, then you write comma 1 and comma false. Okay, so yeah, let me see why we look up, sorry, A1 A2 attendance here, comma 1 comma false. Okay, and you press enter. Now once you press enter, see, you can see this dark plus sign now. See, initially your mouse pointer should be like this, but otherwise your mouse pointer is now this black plus sign. So double click on this, and the formula will be copy pasted in the entire column, till the end. Okay, if you're not sure about what I did, what you can do is, you can simply drag drop the formula like this. Okay, and it will be copy pasted in all the cells. Once you copy paste it, actually 80% of your work is done. Now you can use this column itself to check, but just to avoid any errors, a good practice is that you are supposed to remove the formula from here, so that you don't create any error while doing filtering. Okay, so you do control C, simple copy, right click mouse, paste special, and paste values. Okay, so when you do that, now you can see that there is no formula here. Okay, I have written the steps here. Okay, after this, how you can find out who all are absent? So you simply need to filter it. See the hash NA students. These all students were absent from these many classes. Now, another thing to take notice here is, in next tomorrow, what will you do, right? So what happens is, I'll tell you that this list remains the same. Okay, here I have just applied filter. Okay, so this portion will remain fixed. This is not going to change. Only this portion will change every day. This column will change every day. This is, I have written the formula also. Okay, so this formula can be used. The only thing while using this formula is to do Control C, paste it here, and put one equal to sign here. Okay, and then press enter. So you will be able to use the same formula every day. You have to use the same formula. What is going to change is this here. This is going to change every day. This file is going to change every day. Okay, so don't create a new sheet. Use this sheet only. What you can do next is, maybe next day you can just probably delete the whole thing like this and then paste the new data here. Okay, so after that, what will happen is, see, if you want, you don't need to remove this formula also. You can, just keep it here, but a good practice in Excel is always to, whenever you want to use filter, it is better to remove the formula. So you do Control C and paste special and paste values. Okay, so this way every day you are going to remove the formula and put this formula here again and drag and drop it. Okay, these are the 2 steps that you need to do every day. So thank you, students. Thank you.